Carl, your first visit in France was in 1964, so it's almost 50 years ago. What main difference can you see in your teaching from Ricketts technique to bioprogressive contemporary philosophy?
When I started teaching orthodontics around the world, orthodontics in the United States was more advanced, probably due to the fact that during the Second World War in Europe, everything was stopped for many years. So many things that I brought to France, for example, were new to France. Today, I think that the world is so much more global, and the fact that France is really par with any other country in the world. And particularly, the Society of Bioprogressive Ricketts has really been a quality product in producing quality products, and is really, I think, one of the better ones in the world today.
You travel all over the world. I mean, States, Japan, Europe, France, Italy, and so on. How do you see the future of our profession?
I think the key point of the future is really of zero-based bioprogressive philosophy is really to evaluate and monitor the practice of orthodontics today in a very rapidly changing times, going from analog to digital. I think the field of orthodontics is moving into the digital area much faster than anybody has thought it would. However, digitization is not just an industrial fact, it is also an opportunity to meet the many new challenges in a very competitive market. Our future will be the result of the choices we make today. You can no longer be an average orthodontist with average skills. You must become distinctive and remarkable with a unique service. You must stand out from the pack, not simply because you want to, but because you really do.
Let's talk about present right now. You know very well France, and you are aware of specific conditions in France. I mean, social system, fees, specialty, and so on. Do you think modern orthodontics can be used in France in such a frame?
The Society of Bioprogressive Ricketts and the BSC in Japan are both really facing the same challenges today. It's the cultivation really of a new generation of orthodontists to establish a line of succession and sustainability, which the SR group is blending the old and the tested ways with really new orthodontic care. We need to establish new approaches to really engage a greater number of orthodontists in carrying out the Society of Bioprogressive vision, all based on management, marketing, and mechanics.
Thanks a lot, Carl, for your participation to our meeting, and it was a pleasure to have you here in Paris.
Well, thank you, and it's been a pleasure being here. I'd also like to add one thing. You know, the leadership to the Society of Bioprogressive Ricketts has always been fantastic. And I want to congratulate you all on all you've done for really promoting better orthodontics in France. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Carl.